first impressions as I start to assemble the Little Bits Droid Inventor kit. This is a DIY kit letting any kid build sort of a translucent, really clear version of R2-D2. And I gotta say, the molding on the parts is absolutely beautiful. Very, very clear plastic. And boy, most importantly, the main cylindrical housing molded in one piece. Just gorgeous. But let's talk about the pluses and minuses of the chassis. So I've assembled, they call this like the 75%ers, but this sort of shows how the chassis works. There's a front steering servo to steer the front wheel, and there's a motor on the bottom to drive the rear wheels. It is app controlled. My Android tablet, you can hear it playing some Star Wars music. So it's sort of a joystick right now. So as I move the joystick, you can tell the rear wheels are being driven and the front wheel gets steered left and right. I would have done it differently. Here's basically what happens is have a drive motor here going through a crown gear. Ironically, it's being stepped up here. I really don't like that. The forces are all wrong. But worse yet, because the two rear drive wheels, because they're so far apart, they need to be kind of slick plastic. So they don't get good grip. If they had good grip, it would be very difficult to make any kind of turn at all. So only the front wheel is actually kind of a grippy rubber that lets you steer. And they've sort of limited the steering. It's probably like plus or minus 50 degrees. It's a little out of trim right now. It's not perfectly centered. I got to find out if there's a trim adjustment to do that. But anyway, I think it would have been much more desirable to drive and steer the front wheel. That would have let you turn in place a lot sharper, have a very grippy drive wheel. So again, they probably did this just because of limitations of the physical scale size of the R2-D2, but you know I'm going to have to change that. So I would have preferred to have two freely spinning wheels back there. One more thing that I'm not nuts about is it's all powered by a single 9-volt battery, which of course will die pretty quick. On the other hand, the electronics, very compact module and integrated very nice. So that's it for now.